Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a bit different. As you can see that it is not my usual tutorial video, and in today's video I've tried to include a little bit of my sketching process as well as my painting process. Now can you guess what exactly am I sketching here? Well, yes, it's a bumblebee, and I have been wanting to paint lavenders and bumblebees together and for a while, and I saw this beautiful picture on Pinterest and I was so inspired by it, and so today I thought I'll do the same. And here's my cat Miyuki. She will always be there in my studio, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Let me know in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, to subscribe to the channel if you like my content. And yeah, that's it. So here I'm sketching the bees in two different angles. So there are two different bees that I'm trying to sketch, and this is just for my study to understand the shape and the structure of the bee. But of course, in my painting, I would like to go for a more loose style of painting. I don't do a lot of detail when I'm painting, but the sketch is just for my own study. And sometimes I like to do it this way. I always like to sketch the object first and then do the same on my painting, because especially if I'm doing it for the first time, like this is my first time painting a bee, I needed that little bit of understanding about how the wings are shaped and how the legs are, so which is why I did this sketching exercise. The paper that I'll be using today for today's painting is the khadi paper, and it is 100% cotton, but it is not a very thick paper, so it's not very feasible to do a lot of wet on wet on this one. However, if you are just doing a light wash watercolor, then this paper works quite well. And the brushes that I'm using here are number 6, a number 4, and a few fine liner brushes, because I'll be doing a bit of detail, especially on the bumblebee. The colors that I have mixed for the lavenders are bright violet, and I've also added a bit of ultramarine blue to bring in some depth there, and to make it a bit brighter I have also added some bright opera pink. Now to paint in my bumblebee, I have mixed some burnt sienna with a bit of sepia, and for the yellow part I have used a bit of yellow ochre. So here's the finished painting, and I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you soon again in the next one. Till then, take care and good luck, everyone.